is a key chapter in her illustrious career. She not only became a household name as a child star, but also garnered multiple famous awards for her exceptional talent. Her career is a testament to talent, adaptability, and resilience in an industry that can often be fickle. She grew up in front of the camera and managed to stay relevant as she matured, a feat that many child stars struggle to achieve. Judy-Ann Santos' famous journey, marked by awards and recognition, showcases her dedication to her incomparable craft. Famous child icon of the Philippine cinema, Judy-Ann Santos.
Again, Thomas, thank you so much. Almost 4 decades in the industry, I still love this world. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya to kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin ng bata ko. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Emil Cruz na nagbuo ng Mara Clara, kung paano nabuo ang pagmamahalan ng tandem namin ni Gladys, to Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jess Osida, Tito Alphys, Walangit Nawa, marami naman kaming pinagdaanan ng pag-aaway, malaki ang itinulong niya sa akin. My network, ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Ma'am Charo, Star Cinema, everyone, each and everyone na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko, sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuo sa akin at habang buhay ko po, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa industriya ko. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan ko. Salamat po.
Congratulations to an
Honor Superstar of Love, Judy-Ann Santos. Judy-Ann Santos earned the moniker of a young superstar through her exceptional career and box office achievements. She consistently respects and reaffirms the national artist for film as the ultimate superstar of Philippine cinema that flashes her acknowledgement, both reverence for her trailblazer and pride in her own career, a graceful balance of admiration and confidence. Cementing her showbiz appeal and leadership among her contemporaries, Juday is indeed a Nora Honor protege with her incomparable brilliance and prominence that influenced television and Philippine cinema. Nora Honor Superstar awardee, Miss Judy-Ann Santos.
Mabigat din pala. First of all, good evening to everyone. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FAMAS. Maraming salamat po sa recognition na to. Though wala naman po talagang makakapalit sa nag-iisang Nora Honor. Pero siya ang nagbukas at nagbigay daan para sa aming mga ordinaryo at pangkaraniwang nangangarap. Dahil sa kanya, nabigyan po kami ng pag-asa. Salamat po sa recognition na to. Hindi naman malalagpasan ang narating ng nag-iisang Nora Honor. Sapat na sa akin na nagawaran ako ng may pangalan ng nag-iisang superstar. Maraming salamat.